Picture this: Delon and Jordan, fast friends living life in the fast lane, their pursuits, thrills, spills, and everything in between. One night Jordan has a vivid dream, a vision of his soul in hell, just as vivid as described in the scriptures. A voice warns him, time's running out, repent, embrace Christ. But Jordan shrugs it off, a figment of his imagination, he rationalizes. Later he shares this with Delon, laughing it off. But Delon's amusement quickly fades as Jordan suddenly clutches his heart, his laughter turning into a scream. He slumps, lifeless, his final words echoing ominously. I don't give a about giving my life to Christ, I'm going to enjoy my life. This jolts Delon. He realizes the gravity of their actions, the reality of heaven and hell. It shakes him to his core, leading him to repent, leave his old ways behind, and embrace Christ. The scriptures warn us, how shall we escape if we neglect so great a salvation? And today, if you will hear his voice, do not harden your hearts. This could be your last warning, don't let it go unheeded.